You have to pull them, honey. Yay! I think it's so cute that he moves his little feet even though they don't touch the ground.
You wanna get off? Are you having fun? Yeah!
You had enough, baby. You've had enough. December 27th.
Come on, Papa.